today we are going to Jaipur. We are going for 2 days just to relax and see the place, because we have already been to Jaipur many times, but this time we'll be staying in a farmhouse. So I will showcase that farmhouse. We are on Delhi Jaipur road. It will take 3 more hours and total 4 hours to reach Jaipur from Delhi. So keep watching my video if you want to know about the exotic farmhouse. The surrounding is very beautiful and peaceful. It is in the midst of nature. We have come here to enjoy our son-in-law's birthday. Yes, it was my daughter's plan which gave us the opportunity to come here. We are staying in this tent, and my daughter and son-in-law is staying in the other tent. There are 2 tents here and 2 more are yet to get constructed. This farmhouse has been newly constructed and it is only 20 kilometers away from the main city, Jaipur, where we will be visiting today. There are fruits, flowers and vegetables. We tasted jamun. It was delicious. The rooms are spacious and beautiful. It has all the facilities, and also the washroom is beautiful. In the main building there is a kitchen, open kitchen, and a sitting arrangement and a dining table. We met the beautiful, fearless, friendly bird emu. It gave us immense happiness to see such beautiful birds walking all around the farmhouse. It was truly a beautiful sight to watch and enjoy. In the evening it started raining and we enjoyed the sight of rain and the sound of rain. It looked so wonderful. At night, the farmhouse adds to different beauty. We also explored many places in Jaipur, especially outings and eatings. With sweet memories, we return to Delhi. If you like watching my channel near and far, please subscribe it for future notifications. Thank you.